sun beat down out of the big southern sky. Long hot summer days are making me crazy, getting me mad, and that's why I need me some money to buy an air conditioner. I can't get by with just an electric fan. I need me some money to buy an air conditioner. I can't get by with just an electric fan. 'Cause if this weather gets much hotter, I'll be frying just like a pork chop in a pan. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Yes, that's a saying that we all know. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Yeah, that's a saying we all know. But when the whole damn house is as hot as the kitchen, yes, where the hell am I supposed to go? Yeah, now. Yes, and now everything is really all right. I finally got me a good air conditioner. Yes, and now everything is really all right. It keep our house so cool and mellow every day and every night.